back to my channel, guys. Thank you for coming. I see I got some new subscribers. Thank you so much for coming. And also don't you forget to watch my ads at least for a minute or two, and don't you also forget to subscribe. So today we are going to be making some tortilla wraps, so let's get started. Here I have some tomatoes, green and yellow bell peppers, along with red onions, and I did soak them in water, vinegar and salt so I can pickle them. Over here I have some kale in some water that I did chop up some mozzarella cheese, along with some chicken strips and some tortilla wraps. What we're going to do first is to remove most of the water from the kale. Then we're going to add some olive oil. The olive oil is going to soften the kale. You can also use some lettuce if you want. I just used to use kale. Alright, once that is done, I'll remove the water from the onions and bell peppers. So over to my stove, I have a skillet over medium heat, and here I'm adding some olive oil. Brush them over. Once the pan is extremely hot, I'm going to just rest my tortilla in there. It doesn't take long, guys, just about a minute. Press it so that we can get that fancy mark over them. Once it's done, after a minute, I'm going to flip it over. And oh, what a beautiful pattern. Look at this. Then I'll remove it, set it aside onto my board, and then we're going to start wrapping. Continue to do the rest just like this. So here I'm adding my kale. And like I said earlier, you can also use lettuce. Add my onions, bell peppers, tomato, and then I'm going to add a piece of mozzarella cheese, guys. And of course I did make some sour cream dip, and I made that dip with some parsley, some lemon juice or lime juice, whichever one you want to use, and just whip it up with a little bit of black pepper. Just place some over the top, and then time to wrap. Just make sure you wrap it tightly, just like this. Pull the ends in, and then use a bamboo cocktail pick and just stick it right there. And at this time you can see we have a very good wrap, all compact and nice. Don't be afraid, grump on it, no piece is gonna fall to the ground. So let's do the other one by doing the same thing. You can place your stuff any pattern you want to. Using some chicken strip, you can also use fish and pork, beef, whatever you want. Place some of that dip in there, and the mozzarella cheese, of course. Wrap it tightly, and then place that bamboo cocktail pick just to hold it in shape. And there you have it, guys. Simple, easy lunch, guys. They are also neat and compact, making them perfect to pack for lunch, right? It's just healthy and satisfying. Overall, they are very tasty and easy. You can even slice them smaller and make a wonderful party appetizer. So don't you forget to subscribe, enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.